A piece of 13 to 15 ounce saddle skirting. I've got it kind of wet and cased. I'm going to just hand draw on this Spur Texas. I did one single line cut. This will be like double line. Got an older Craftool here, 851, the number on it. Like a little spur rail right there. Put a dot in the center. This is the older Craftool 2 RBS 632, the antique. Okay, now I'm going to let this dry out a little bit, and I'll come back and bevel around this with a B802 and a B803. Spur Texas. Big bit and spur makers gathering this weekend. Wanted to do something special and hand carve a coaster. Hey, thanks for watching. Tools I used for this are Crafttools, some old ones, and some new bevelers there made by Craftool. C.S. Osborne awl, and that Berry King swivel knife, 3/8 barrel, 1/4 inch blade, narrow, and the Maul Master maul, and another lightweight maul. The beveling is that's probably triple beveled to give it the extra depth.